If you want to cast screen from your Samsung Galaxy smartphone to your TV or any other device, any external display, then usually you just have to go to Settings, and then in here go to Connected Devices, and then you should be able to find Smart View. And then here in the Smart View section, you should be able to find your TV, so then you can select it in here, and then you should be able to connect and start casting the screen. To make sure that your TV is going to appear here on this list, first of all, you want to make sure that it supports Android devices. Secondly, you might want to make sure that you use the same Wi-Fi network on both your smartphone and your TV. And of course, make sure that the TV is powered on. Now, besides that, some more expensive Samsung Galaxy smartphones, some flagship models, for example, they also include Samsung DeX, which allows you to also connect to TV and start casting. And here we have the option to connect wirelessly. That works as well, as long as, of course, the device supports it. And most of the TVs nowadays do support such a connection. And also, if you do have Samsung DeX, then most likely you can also connect via USB or adapter or something similar to your TV. So if you do have a cable that fits both your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and your TV, so usually it is something like USB-C to HDMI cable or something that is an adapter that allows you to connect to HDMI to your TV. And then of course you can just plug it in over here, and then if you do so, most likely Samsung DeX is going to start playing right away. There we go, here there's also the information. And if you go to connected display in here, then you can choose to mirror the screen instead of extending it. Of course, extending the display is also pretty cool, but since we are talking about casting the screen, you might want to switch to mirror, and that works as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.